Yo, what up, guys? Today I'm gonna meet my other dog. Just need to find her. Oh, there she is. Say hello. Diamond, say hi to all the viewers. Okay, so that's part of the video. So yeah. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Well, guys, see you later. Bye.